Alright. So what is up, everybody? It's your boy John J-Man17 here, and welcome back to another episode of FS19. So, anyway. So I just went flying through time, and I just slept through the night and got into the next day here. So I gotta get this combine going, and then I gotta so now I gotta so there we go. So I gotta bring this tractor back out to the field, and I threw both wagons underneath the shed here, underneath the machine shed here, because I had to get the corn out of the rain, and the wagons do not have tarps on them, so that's how things go. So I'm just gonna get this tractor sitting right back here again, and then so I want to get so I'm just gonna load the grain cart here real quick. I have to, because otherwise it's gonna get overloaded, and I'm gonna not even enough room to unload the combine. So gonna have to just scoot over just so at least I got 62% left in the grain cart, so that's all nice. Great. So anyway, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this combine going. So this combine right here is not the 2566, and there I have, so the new combine that I have is a Massey Ferguson 2790, well 9790, not 2790, I don't know why I said 2790, but the Massey Ferguson is a 9790 from, I don't know who made this, but they did a good job. So anyway, I gotta make it down to where so it's Lawfold's grain. So I gotta really go and stuff. So I'm just gonna run it down to the let's see here, to the grain storage buildings, because that's what I'm using to because that's what I'm using right now to store the grain. So, you know, so I gotta really move to get down to the so I'm doing 24 down this path right now. It's a nice path. I really enjoy this path. So anyway, yeah, just so I gotta get her around here, and then so just getting the corn dumped into the building right now. Trying my best to what graph is blocked by an object? Oh, that. Whoops. Move away here. So anyway, alright, 67. Alright. So just still loading as fast as I can. This doesn't have to all get hauled out, so it absolutely really needs to, which so I've been looking at getting my first semi. Getting my first semi, I don't know about it. It would be, yeah. So pace setter. Sorry, that's just someone else driving by. They're harvesting corn out here in right by my house. So anyway, this is about the grain trailers that I'm gonna get for semi. Because I just don't like the big trailers, this one's easier to maneuver. I'd have to look at the different trucks to see which one I want. I'm not for sure yet on which one I want. But yeah, not for sure about getting a semi just yet. Probably a little excessive, but anyway. Yeah, I got this wagon empty. Now it's time to head back out to the field for another load. So, anyway, it would be nice to get my first New Holland tractor on the farm, but I just can't, because there isn't any good American style US New Holland tractors out there that are good. I know it's like the T8 US series, but the one I'm waiting for is the T7 US series tractor by, I don't know if it's CNH Modding, I think it is, I don't know. But I am looking forward to getting a T7 New Holland tractor. I don't even know if they have that. I don't know if they have it out yet. I think they do. I'm not for sure. But yeah, it would be nice to have that kind of a tractor on my farm. So actually I can just park the tractor and wagon right down here. And this tractor is, so this wagon's full. Now the 9650 is full as well, so I gotta really make haste here. Trying to go as fast as I can down there. Yeah. Anyway, just you just have to keep moving around here. So, I gotta have to unload that combine. But anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode.